Imagine walking through a damp forest. The ground beneath your feet is soft and spongy, covered in a thick layer of fallen leaves and moss. The air is filled with the scent of earth and decaying wood, a smell that is both refreshing and ancient. The air is cool and earthy. You can hear the distant call of birds and the rustling of small creatures in the underbrush. Every step you take seems to echo in the quiet, serene environment. Sunlight filters through the leaves above, casting dappled shadows on the forest floor. The beams of light create a magical atmosphere, making the forest seem alive with hidden wonders. As you walk, you notice something unusual on a fallen branch. It's not something you've seen before, and it catches your eye immediately. It is a bright yellow blob like jelly. This is witch's butter. Its vibrant color stands out starkly against the muted tones of the forest. Witch's butter is a fungus. It thrives in damp, decaying wood, often appearing after a rainstorm. Its scientific name is Tremella mesenterica. It has a strange name and an even stranger appearance. The name witch's butter comes from old folklore, where it was believed to be used by witches in their potions. It doesn't look like a mushroom. Unlike the typical cap and stem structure of most fungi, witch's butter is amorphous and gelatinous. Instead, it looks like a blob of jelly. Its texture is unique, almost otherworldly, and it glistens in the light. This fungus is not poisonous. In fact, it is sometimes used in traditional medicine and even in some culinary dishes in certain cultures. You can even touch it. Its surface is smooth and cool to the touch, almost like touching a piece of firm jelly. Its surface feels smooth and cool, but be careful. Despite its jelly-like appearance, it is very delicate. It is very delicate and breaks easily. Handle it with care if you decide to examine it closely. Witch's butter has the scientific name Tremella mesenterica. This fascinating fungus is often found in forests, clinging to decaying wood. Its appearance is quite unique, resembling a translucent jelly-like substance that almost seems otherworldly. The word tremella means trembling. This name is quite fitting, as the fungus has a gelatinous texture that quivers at the slightest touch. And indeed, this jelly-like fungus trembles when touched. It's almost as if it has a life of its own, responding to the environment around it. The word mesenterica refers to its resemblance to the mesentery, a membrane in the abdomen. This comparison highlights the intricate and delicate structure of the fungus. Witch's butter is not a plant. Unlike plants, it does not perform photosynthesis. It is a fungus, like mushrooms and molds. Fungi play a crucial role in the ecosystem, breaking down organic matter and recycling nutrients. Fungi are different from plants. They do not have chlorophyll and cannot make their own food through photosynthesis. They do not make their own food. Instead, they absorb nutrients from other organisms, often decomposing dead organic matter. They get their food from other organisms, like dead trees or even other fungi. This makes them essential decomposers in the natural world. This fungus loves damp, shady places. It thrives in environments where moisture is abundant. It grows on decaying wood, often appearing after rain. The wet conditions provide the perfect habitat for its growth. This is because it needs moisture to thrive. Without sufficient water, the fungus would not be able to maintain its jelly-like consistency and would quickly dry out. Witch's butter has a long history, one that stretches back through the mists of time. This peculiar fungus, with its gelatinous texture and bright yellow hue, has fascinated people for centuries. It appears in folklore and mythology around the world, often shrouded in mystery and intrigue. From the dense forests of Europe to the ancient woodlands of Asia, witch's butter has been a subject of countless tales. Its unusual appearance has sparked many stories and beliefs. Some say it glows faintly under the moonlight, adding to its eerie reputation. In some cultures, people believed that witches used this fungus in their spells. They thought it had magical properties that could enhance their potions and incantations. They thought it could cause milk to curdle or bring bad luck. Farmers would often find their milk spoiled and blame it on the presence of witch's butter nearby. Some people even called it yellow-brain fungus because it looked like a brain. This nickname only added to its mystique and the fear it inspired in some communities. However, in other cultures, witch's butter was seen as a good omen. It was believed to have protective qualities and was often used in rituals to safeguard homes and families. Some believed it could ward off evil spirits or bring good fortune. Talismans made from witch's butter were cherished and passed down through generations as symbols of luck and protection. Witch's butter is a parasite. It doesn't get its food from dead wood directly. Instead, it feeds on another fungus called Peniophora fungi, the rosy crust fungus. Peniophora species fungi are wood decay fungi. They break down dead wood and get nutrients from it. Witch's butter grows on top of and steals its food. This relationship is fascinating. Witch's butter relies on another fungus for its survival. It's a delicate balance of life in the forest ecosystem. If you enjoyed this journey into the world of witch's butter and the fascinating relationships within the forest, please like, share and subscribe. Your support helps us bring you more incredible nature stories. There's so much more to discover in the hidden world of fungi and nature's wonders. Join our channel for more stories about the secrets of the forest, ancient myths, and the science behind nature's most mysterious organisms.